Hello everyone, and welcome to my MDF1 Class 1307 Project 3 review video. This week we had to create a table view and a map view with two separate tabs and fill in the table view with a custom object of minimum of 10 names of a fictional business. When you clicked on a table view, it's supposed to go to a detailed view with a map of the location with the name and coordinates of that specific location, and then have a call out on the pin when you click on the map. So what I did for my project is an organic locator with the idea of having some kind of app where you can not necessarily find locations that deal in solely organic stuff, but locations where you can find organic produce and things like that. So I went ahead with kind of how I did last week. I made my organic info.h&m to hold my custom method, the init with business name with the name and location, and then my singleton for the get data. Basically how the video showed. I played around with it a little bit, but I found it was best to kind of stick with what we were shown. And then I went ahead and customized the colors of the navigation bar and the tabs. So I created each of my objects for my organic array with the name and location, and I found a website that would let me pick locations in my area and put a pin there, and then it would pull up the lat long for that specific location. So I used that to find the locations of each of these fake businesses. And then, like I did last week, once I made those, I pulled up and added everything to my overall array. The only thing I did differently this time was for the edit function. When I go into the on edit action, I set up a left bar button item for the cancel. So the cancel button only shows up when you hit edit and go into the edit mode. Otherwise, it does not exist. I initially tried it to have the edit button itself turn into cancel, but I found that when I canceled it, went back to the main view, it remained cancel and it was not able to be used again. So my workaround was to create a second one within the on edit function. So the things I could have probably done better is certainly the graphics. I spent a good deal of time trying to make it look much better this week than I typically am able to. And I find I really need to brush up on my Photoshop and Illustrator abilities. But overall, I had a really fun time using these maps. And I wanted to get into doing more of a custom call out for the map view at least. And once looking into that, I realized that it's a pretty tedious thing to do, and I don't think I'm quite ready to delve into that. But I have the resources, and I'll probably play around with it on my own time. But it's not something I felt I would be able to accomplish for this project. So to run my application on the iPad, I'm going to go ahead and pull it up. build it. So you can see the logo, got organic locator. So there we go. So you can see I customized the colors and everything. We can pick Organics R Us. It goes to the detail view with the name and then the coordinates. And then if you click on the pin, you have the call out with the name of the business. And it's all one this detail view, so it's the same no matter what you push on. If you go to the maps, you can see all of the maps pins here. So like down here, oh, that's Eat Green. There's Organics R Us down at the bottom. So if we go back, we hit edit, there's a cancel button pop up like I mentioned. We can take Organics R Us, pull up the delete button, get rid of it, cancel to exit out of that, and then when we go back over here, it's gone. Eat Green is the only one there. So it removes the pin from the map view containing all of the locations. So yeah, you can do that with anything. Eat Green was the next one down there, so we can go ahead and delete that one, hit cancel, and it's gone. So everything works as it's supposed to. And I'm very pleased with the outcome. So that's it though for my review video. So thank you for watching and have a great day.